Hey, lovely ladies. I am back sharing my realistic self care routine. This is something that I do realistically, okay, to pour into myself. So, I love to fix a good meal, a comforting meal. Today, I chose beef stew, right? It is really hot in North Carolina. Like, we in the high 80s and 90s still. But this is so comforting to me, and I didn't heat up the kitchen. I just use my good old crock pot, which cooks itself, and I can just relax and wait for the meal. Another realistic thing that I do is to garden. I know in my last video I posted that gardening is therapy, and it really is. And you learn a lot of life lessons this way as you watch things grow, fertilize, you cut back things. It really teaches you life lessons, and you really begin to think and to meditate, and your nervous system calms down. A lot of people have stated that they could not function, think correctly. And when they did a bit of gardening, they realized they could think, they could function, they could go about their day. A nice bubble bath with a good drink. I'm into doing crossword puzzles and reading, watching a good show in my bath. And even though this is not the bathroom of my dreams, trust me, I moved and downsized when all of my children left, and me and my husband decided to restart our business. So we had to downsize, which, I chose to do. But anywhere that you go, you have to create your atmosphere. Good bubble bath, no matter the bathroom size. I love Dr. Teal's. This is my skincare. I have to put my friend's link in the chat. I love her skincare products, especially for those of us that are aging. We find that our skin is more dry. So her product line has been helping me tremendously. I do use vitamin C and hyaluronic serums as well as a good moisturizing cream. I haven't found any favorites, but the ones that I'm using seems to be working, keeps my skin hydrated, enough for me to be satisfied. I want to get into the chemical peels, which she said she will step me through because I've never done one before. So I'm just loving doing a nighttime ritual skincare routine. That has been so helpful. I didn't used to do it, but when I thought of my skincare as a ritual that I get to pamper myself, it changed my mind about that. As well as giving yourself a good manicure, pedicure. I don't like to go to the nail places because I'm really ticklish, and I stopped wearing fake nails. I've stopped wearing acrylic nails because my nails grow pretty good. I need to learn how to keep them strengthened, but they grow pretty good and long. So I like to just take my time and pamper myself. I don't wear a lot of nail polish, as you can see in my videos. That's just a personal preference. I don't have any real reason not to. That's just a preference of mine for right now. I have gotten into coloring, and I didn't realize how focused it makes me when I color and when I do crossword puzzles. The focus is crazy. I will put on some music, have a little cocktail, and I am just as content. I said, child, you getting old. You love a crossword puzzle. Now you coloring. but it really does help to calm the nervous system. Again, I am an ex-nurse, a teacher now, and I am a mental wellness advocate. I have a mental wellness group, and I have to live by example, right? I have to be the example to my community. So this is something that I've been implementing, and it is awesome. I want to know what things that you do for yourself to pour into yourself. It doesn't really have to be anything that I'm doing. It could be something totally different, because I'm hoping to do a future video about pouring into yourself realistically and what that looks like. All right. I'll see you in the next video, ladies.